A very good morning to all of you children. This is Seema Kumari here representing you today the fifth type of the chemical reaction, oxidation and reduction reaction from chapter chemical reactions and equation of class 10 chemistry. So oxidation and reduction reaction, also called redox reaction. Here red stands for reduction and ox stands for oxidation. Previous I have explained in two videos the rest of the reactions. The first one was a combination reaction, the second one was decomposition reaction, then double displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. So this is the last reaction that today in this video I will complete. So first see oxidation reaction, LEO. The first point, it is LEO. The full form of LEO is loss of electron, is called oxidation. O stands for oxidation. In the right hand you can see GER. G for gain, E for electron and R for reduction. Means gain of electron is called reduction. Loss of electron is called oxidation. On the other hand, gain of electron called reduction. The second point, the addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. See, actually the earlier concept of oxidation and reduction is based on the addition or removal of oxygen and hydrogen element. So here I am describing this oxidation and reduction on comparing this oxygen and hydrogen. So in the left side you can see this is the addition of hydrogen. Oxidation, this is the addition of hydrogen. On the other hand, reduction is the addition of hydrogen. For oxidation, addition of oxygen; for reduction, addition of hydrogen. Third point, the removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. So here it is the removal of oxygen is called reduction. The removal of hydrogen from a substance, the removal of oxygen from a substance, and to a substance that you should just learn. The addition of oxygen to a substance is called addition. The addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Now the third point, the removal of hydrogen from a substance. Removal means obviously from a substance is called oxidation. On the other hand, the removal of oxygen from a substance is called reduction. The fourth point is the addition of non-metallic element is called oxidation. And in the reduction, the fourth point is the addition of metallic element is called reduction. The fifth point in the oxidation, the reduction of metallic element. See, both are vice versa. The addition of non-metallic element and the removal of metallic element is called oxidation. On the right side, the addition of metallic element and the removal of non-metallic element is called reduction. Now here I have given you some example also. First, just learn this oxidation reduction with this Leozer, with this formula Leozer, Leoger. So here it is, loss of electron is called oxidation and gain of electron is called reduction. So here this A and B, here it is two compound, it is in zero state, means stable it is when it is breaking. So here it is A plus ion and B minus ion. So here you can see that it is from 0 to plus 1 state. See the change in compound A. Now it is from 0 to plus 1 state. So how you get plus 1 ion? Obviously from loss of electron. From loss of electron. When you will remove one electron in that, so it is called loss of electron, and loss of electron is called oxidation. So here it is oxidation. Now here you can see B to B minus, because here it is gain of electron, so you can write here gain of electrons, and gain of electrons is called reduction. Gain of electrons is called reduction. So I think this first point now it is clear to you how this loss of electron is called oxidation and the gain of electron is called reduction. Now here I have given some more example. From here also you can understand the first point, loss of electron and gain of electron. See, because you know the oxygen weight it will break, then it will break in -2 ion, and copper it is +2 ion. Hydrogen it is in 0 state, here it is copper in 0 state, and H2O, here hydrogen it is +1 state and oxygen it is -2 states. Now how it is possible this +1 and -2, it is not a balance. So here you can see that it is, here it is 2 atom of hydrogen, so 2 into +1 is equals to +2. Now it is total +2 and -2 is equals to 0. Now hence it is also neutral in state. So you can see this is +2 to 0, means here it is loss of electron, sorry, gain of electron, it is +2 to 0. Here it is +2 to 0, means here copper lose, here copper gaining 2 electron, here copper gaining 2 electron. So here it is gain of electron, and gain of electron is called a reduction. Gain of electron is called reduction. And here H2, see hydrogen, it is 0 to +1. Its oxidation state is increasing from 0 to +1. Its oxidation state is increasing from 0 to +1. So here it is loss of electron. When you will just put out one electron from hydrogen, then it will make H plus ion. So it is loss of electron, and loss of electron is called oxidation. Loss of electron is called oxidation. So I think it is now more clear to you that how the loss of electron is called oxidation and gain of electron is called reduction. Now come to the second point. Second point is what the addition of oxygen to a substance. The addition of oxygen to a substance. Here you can see the addition of oxygen. See, in H2 it is from H2 now it become H2O. Now it is the addition of oxygen in RHS, and addition of oxygen is called addition of oxygen to a substance is called oxidation. So here it is H2 to H2O, here it is the addition of oxygen, so this is oxidation. Okay, now one more thing you can see here. In the second example you can see that here it is hydrogen in +1 state, and sulfur, because it is from oxygen column group, so it is also -2 now, because it is 2 atom of hydrogen. So 2 into +1 +2 and -2 is equals to 0. Chlorine alone it is in 0 state, sulfur alone it is 0 state, and HCl as you know +1 and -1, it make its ion. Now you can see here this sulfur, because it is -2 to 0, means it is increasing or decreasing. Obviously it is increasing. See, -2 to 0, because it is increasing. So this is what, loss of electron or gain of electron? Obviously it is loss of electron. Loss of electron. Loss of electron, or this you called oxidation, loss of electron, oxidation. And here it is chlorine 0 to -1. Here it is chlorine 0 to -1. Here this oxidation state of chlorine is now decreasing. It is 0 to -1 it is. So it is decreasing its oxidation state. So here it is gain of electron. Gain of electron or plus electron you can say. So gain of electron is what? Reduction. Now on the basis of hydrogen you can see in reduction, the addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. See, here it is the addition of hydrogen. See, in LHS, in reactant side it was only chlorine, and the product it is now HCl, because now this chlorine is adding with hydrogen and making HCl, hydrochloric acid. So here it is the addition of hydrogen, and addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Addition of hydrogen to a substance is called reduction. Okay. I think these all three equations is clear for you to make yourself clear what is called oxidation, what is called reduction, and this both reactions are just opposite to each other, like combination reaction and decomposition reaction. Same in the same process here, oxidation and reduction also just opposite to each other. Here one more point I want to discuss: the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. What is oxidizing agent and reducing agent? So first, see the substance, the substance which gets oxidized is the reducing agent, is the reducing agent. Now here you can see which one is reducing agent in this reaction, which one is reducing agent in this reaction. As I said, the substance which gets oxidized, the substance which get oxidized here, hydrogen, here hydrogen, it gets oxidized because it is here it is increasing their oxidation state from 0 to +1, means loss of electron is called oxidation. Here it is the oxidation of hydrogen. So the substance which gets oxidized is called reducing agent. So for this reaction, hydrogen is the reducing agent. For this reaction, hydrogen is the reducing agent. Here hydrogen is the reducing agent. And now see what is oxidizing agent. So the substance which gets reduced, is called oxidizing, agent. Just opposite, the substance which gets reduced is called oxidizing, and the substance which get oxidized is called reducing agent. So first you have to see that where is the reduction. So in this reaction you can see copper, see now it is +2 to 0, means this is loss, gaining of electron, and gain of electron is called reduction. So this copper is this copper is here as oxidizing agent. Copper oxide, here it is as oxidizing agent. So what is oxidizing agent in this reaction? CuO. It is oxidizing agent. It is oxidizing agent. Okay, which one is reducing agent and which one is oxidizing agent? Now you can find in the reaction which is going under in oxidation, which is going under in a reduction reaction, which is the oxidizing agent and which one is the reducing agent. I think now it is clear to you. Now in the second reaction I'll show you some more example. Here you can see in this second reaction which one is oxidizing agent, which one is oxidizing agent. So here it is chlorine behaving as oxidizing agent. Why it is behaving as oxidizing agent? Why it is behaving as oxidizing agent? Because see there is the reduction of chlorine, because now here in this reaction chlorine from 0 state now it is -1 state, because there is the decreasement in the oxidation state of chlorine. So this is the reduction, and as I said, the substance which gets reduced is called oxidizing agent. The substance which get reduced, here chlorine is reducing, so it is oxidizing agent. And H2S, because here H2S it is oxidation reduction, so this H2S, so this H2S here behave as reducing agent. Why it is reducing agent? As I said, the substance which get oxidized, and here H2S is oxidized. Why? Because here from it is -2 to 0, means here -2 to 0, if you will see the number line, it is 0, it is -2, it is +2. Now if you will observe this from -2 to 0, if it is coming, so here it is in increasing order. Here it is increasing order. If you see the number line -2 to 0, it is an increasing order. Means the oxidation number is increasing. If it is coming from -2 to 0, means oxidation number is increasing. So that's why it is oxidation. And when it is 0 to -1, means the oxidation number is decreasing. 0 to -1, 0 to -1 means -1. If it is here, then 0 to -1, it is in decreasing order. So here it is the decreasement of oxidation number. So here it is the reduction, and reduction means it behaves as oxidizing agent. Now here I am showing you one more example to relate this oxidation reaction with this 4 and 5 point metallic and non-metallic. See here, you can, if you want to balance this equation, first see that copper, when it is burning in the presence of oxygen, then it is making copper oxide in the presence of heat. So here you can see, if you balance the equation, see copper, it is one atom of copper in LHS. Here in RHS also one atom of copper is present. It is two atom of oxygen. Here it is one atom of oxygen. So to balance this equation, we have to multiply this copper oxide by 2. Now it is 2 atom of copper and 2 atom of oxygen. 2 atom of oxygen, 2 atom of oxygen, 2 atom of copper. Now to balance this copper in LHS also, we should multiply it by 2. Now it is balanced. Now say about oxidation reaction, because it is alone a copper metal, it is so it is in zero state. Here you can see that here oxygen, it is -2, as you know. Why it is -2? Just let me explain. Oxygen, as you know, the atomic number, it is 8. So in the K cell it is 2 electron, and in L cell it is 6 electron. It is K cell and L cell. So to complete its octet, it need 2 electron, or either it can lose 6 electron to gain the valency of configuration of helium, because plus 2 electron gaining of 2 electron, it is easy as compared to losing 6 electron. So that's why it will take 2 electron, and it will take electron. If it will gain electron, then obviously minus ion will come here. So here it is -2, and copper it is +2. Here it is oxygen in zero state. So here you can see it is 0. If you will see the copper compound, copper metal, so what you observe, that it is 0 to +2. 0 to +2 means increasing in oxidation state. Increasing in 0 to +2, it is 0 +2, sorry, it is -2. Left side it is -2, and right side it is +2. Left side is -2, and left side it is +2. So if it is 0 to +2, 0 to +2 means increasing order. 0 to -2 means it is decreasing order. So if you observe this copper, it is from 0 to +2 means it is in increasing oxidation state. Means here it is the loss of electron, and it making loss of electron, and it is making copper +2 ion. So it is oxidation. And for oxygen, if you will observe, so here it is 0 to -2 means here the oxidation state is decreasing. Decreasing means gain of electron, or you can say plus electron. When you will add electron in oxygen, then it is obviously gain of electron, and it is called reduction. If sodium atom it is here, and if you are just removing the electron from the sodium, then it will make sodium plus ion and +1 electron, because it is from 0 to +1 state. 0 to +1 state means it is the loss of electron. So here is losing the electrons, that's why it is making sodium plus ion. So it is oxidation. If you will see one more example of chlorine, so if you will add chlorine, if you will add electron in that, then it will make negative ion, chloride ion. Now because it is the addition of electron, that's why it is now from 0 to -1. Now the oxidation state is decreasing from 0 to -1. So it is decreasement in oxidation number, or gaining of electron, is called reduction. So here it is oxidation, and here it is reduction. I think now you understood what is oxidation reduction. Now the fourth and fifth point I want to discuss here. See here it is, you can see the fourth point. The addition of metallic element is called reduction. The addition of metallic element is called reduction. Here it is the addition of metallic element. Here it is oxygen, and now it is becoming copper oxide. So copper is now adding with oxygen and making a compound copper oxide. So here it is the addition of metallic compound and addition of metallic element is called reduction. So here it is reduction. It is clear to you. One more thing you can say, that it is the addition of oxygen is called oxidation. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation. By the process of loss of electron and gain of electron also you can show that in this reaction how it is oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. By the addition of metallic element also you can show why it is reduction. If it is reaction, then obviously the other one will be oxidation. If one equation will be reduction, then the other, the vice versa, it rest one is the reduction. Okay, here you can find one more thing, which one is oxidizing agent and which one is reducing agent. So because this is the reduction, this is the reduction, so this is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. And where it is oxidation, where it is oxidation means it's reducing the other one, so this is called reducing agent. Reducing agent. Now I think the whole reaction, all these five reactions, the first one was combination reaction, in which two or more than two elements, compounds and elements compound both when reacting and giving one substance as a product, that was combination reaction. Then decomposition reaction, when substance splits up into two or more simpler substances, this is called decomposition reaction. Same as that, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction. And the fifth one is oxidation reduction reaction. Why it is called a redox reaction? Because RED stands for reduction and OX stands for oxidation, and on the basis of the loss of electron is called oxidation. How it is oxidation, loss of electron, as already I have shown you. Reduction, gain of electron, how it is called reduction, already that also I have shown by the example. These all things I have proved here with the example. I think now it is clear to you all what is called oxidation and reduction, and why it is called oxidation reduction, that also I think you are understood. And oxidizing agent and reducing agent also you understand. And now you can just find observe the effect of oxidation and oxidation reaction in everyday life. You can take the example of corrosion of metals, rancidity of food. Corrosion of metal is what? Corrosion in metal is what? Oxidation reactions. Corrosion is what? Oxidation reaction. When you just keep one iron metal in the open atmosphere, then it uh, react with moisture or air, then it become ferrous oxide. So ferrous oxide, because it is taking reaction with oxygen, so this corrosion is called oxidation reaction. I think you will like the video. Please watch it again and again, and you can just revise this. I hope you will like. Thank you so much. Take care of you and your family too. Thank you, and bye bye.